What types of jobs do landscape design students typically find for the summer? Landscape design students pursue a variety of summer positions, including garden centers. Many gain hands-on experience in retail and plant care. Golf course maintenance. Some work on maintaining greens and landscaping. And landscape construction. Others engage in hands-on projects for various landscape bills. And a number find opportunities in agricultural settings such as farms. Some advanced students secure roles in design firms or landscape architecture offices, assisting with project planning and design. And others work on personal projects, such as designing a rain garden. These experiences help students apply their skills in real-world settings while exploring different aspects of the landscape industry.